Good morning. He tutukapalele itasolele irotala irotata. There's such beautiful light and energy this morning. Hauro oho sasate. I just thought I would share some of it from my back porch. Koro para ele irotunda hala ero otara isotito vrenita yeda. Sunifora insokuta deada. I was just feeling like connecting with the trees. The white-throated sparrow. Kele irtotata singing Toshiburukipatera into. They just arrived in the last few weeks from the north on their migration. Halele ahora anate. And they remind us that there's a season for everything. Hiretotarata. We don't have to be all things all the time. Kale utenda te tot alele itot alele itot alele. Just go with the flow. Kurumushata taretotanderata te shota. Nature can teach us so many lessons. Korumo ele te tindo se tote shota come shote na ahala. Kie te te totate. And of course the leaves are reminding us, the trees are reminding us to let go of things that we don't need anymore, instead of carrying all that around. Kale ito isatea. If you can imagine, the trees just kept holding on to all their leaves year after year, growing more and more and more, and eventually their branches would break from the heaviness of it all. Hala itotle kana au uine tia. Inishotatata, so they know to let go. Ishotata sasa, and reserve. Istata, go inward a bit. Ishotande achala ete, and enjoy the season, whatever it is. Kolele, fully enjoy the season, whatever it is, without looking back. Oh, I wish it were summer. Oh, I wish it were winter. Oh, I wish it were. Hele eto, I wish I still was like this when I was 20. Ahalo orleta, let those things pass. Hirete, be present and enjoy your now, whatever that is, as best you can. Sa ora nuvura nde tande, kishu tutara ehidate orata. You'll find that you'll be most vibrant and brilliant when you embrace your now. Hale erate eta uishita de eto, because every day is a new day. Kineso sata, when a lot of your thoughts are focused backwards or even forwards, you're not appreciating the now moment as much as you could. Halaito, and that's where the joy is. I mean, you also can have joy. I love planning a good vacation, and there can be a lot of joy from that too. So it is nice. Haleitata, and it's nice to remember good times too. Koshateata, but if you're giving yourself a hard time, or we're not looking like you did when you were younger, or not being as active as you used to be, holo utata, or that time when you used to go out and have lots of fun before children, hala ohoratateka, or whatever the thing is, here tutate shatutatate no tutotera omutatata. Maybe you just got to college and wow, it's so much harder than it was in high school. Kile ikukukunetatera nototera ahau utotatandete. Or maybe you live alone these days. Meshotata and your family is all scattered. Kele etundu tashote hele ikodata. And you miss your house being full and vibrant. There can still be joy to be had. Find your tribe, is what they're saying. Kalale, fill your own space. And so much love goes out to all of you. Hai usanito sotatera umata. There's a lot of change happening right now, a lot of self-reflection. I've been seeing a lot of fears come up for people. Hale ito, kiko ite. So it's a good time to just look at it. Tendo shite, notice it. Kale ite, ask the fear what it needs. Temo tatate, or whatever the emotion is that's coming up. Might not be fear. Hale orela. A friend of mine said she was experiencing some jealousy. Kitotate. Well, ask the jealousy what it needs. And see what emotions that comes up. May need a hug. Sometimes these things are more simple than we think. We just haven't been taught these types of methods of getting in tune, and healing from within. But we can heal, and we can get through our strong emotions, and usually faster than we think. We just need patience. Thank you all. It's nice to connect this morning.